Hey y'all, so today I am going to do a really quick video for y'all, a get ready with me video. I'm about to go out with my sister and mom, and we're just gonna go shopping and stuff, and I just got out of the shower. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into the video. I washed my face with this, I don't know how you say this, Biwama stuff. I don't know. I kind of like it. It's the creamy jelly cleanser, but I don't know what it is lately. No matter what I wash with my face, like no matter what I put on my face, like I just keep breaking out. So I'm not really sure why. I'm pretty sure I have like oily to combination skin. So if anyone has any recommendations, like, and I feel like the simpler the products, the better. So yeah, I just washed my face with that, and I just got this from Marshall's the other day. I don't know how to say that either. Busia Psych Treatment Water. So I don't know. It was like, I like this brand a lot, so I wanted to try this, and it's supposed to help like lock in moisture, which even though I have oily skin, I feel like because my pores are like blocked, that that's why like the surface of my skin looks rough and I have like textured skin. It's kind of like the surface of my skin is dry, but it's because I feel like I'm overproducing oils, and it causes, or something's getting on my skin, maybe my environment, I don't know, my house or something, like it's clogging my pores. So but this stuff like is kind of weird. I don't know. I feel like it's literally just like putting water on my face because it dries really fast, and I don't know. But next, what I'll take is the Good Molecules serum. This I love. Like, I actually really like this, and this brand's really cheap too. So, but it's like good quality, and I just put a couple drops of this on my face. This helps a lot with like the texture of my skin, because like I said, I get really like textured, bumpy looking skin, especially in pictures. So this helps to really like smooth over my skin and make it look like actually hydrated and nice. And I'm in my room right now. I really need to like clean out my room and my closet, because I still have like those heads sitting up there, as you can see, my mannequin heads from cosmetology school. But yeah. Okay, next one I'm going to take is this moisturizer by Thayers. Y'all, I can't read, but I really like it. Soak It Up 80-hour liquid moisturizer, and it really does, like, the moisture, like, I can tell, like, even, like, I'll put this on right now, and, like, even later at night, like, my skin still feels, like, hydrated. I can literally see that my skin looks and feels hydrated. And the heat's on in my house, so I'm like burning up right now. That's why my face is so freaking red. Okay, so that's pretty much like the skincare sort of prep thing. I will use this. I actually love the N7 Restore Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. This is like really good before I put on my makeup. It really does like make my skin like it just look extra like moist, and I don't know, it just helps like my makeup go on better. So I really like this stuff. It kind of has a weird smell to it though, I will say. It definitely has kind of almost like, I don't know, it smells like it would be like, it smells kind of cheap, and it smells kind of like I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it smells like it wouldn't be good, but honestly, I love it. It does make my skin really soft. Okay, so now I'll just be using my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid foundation, and I picked out what was it? Shade 2, Fair Light, but it's still like, I will say, like, it still gives sort of like a orangish looking, even putting it on, like you can see it kind of gives an orangish looking cast on my skin. It's definitely a little too dark for me in winter, like, because I don't even use, like, I normally, like in summer I tan pretty good, and then in winter I just don't want to fool with, like, you know, self-tanner and all that. And like, I don't know, I love, like, I actually like being kind of fair. I think it's beautiful, like, kind of gives Snow White vibes, I don't know, but I don't mind being fair. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, so I just blended that out, and it actually doesn't look too off. Like, actually kind of blended in nicely. I actually got my beauty blender wet this time. I think that made like a huge difference. But yeah, as you can see, it still doesn't like cover enough. Like, it's a good foundation for like summer, but I definitely need to get a better foundation for this winter. And this is super, super light, which I'm just gonna use it to go over like my, you know, problems. But I don't mind that it's light, because even though it is kind of randomly placed on my face, because it'll kind of like lighten up the whole foundation, so I don't mind it. And then I guess I'm just gonna even out it a little bit, but oh yeah. Then I will just blend this out. Okay, oh my god, my foundation and my concealer are blending out so much better with a wet beauty blender. Like, I know you're supposed to wet your beauty blender, but every time I have in the past, it's like, I guess I hadn't, like, I didn't dry it enough before I used it. So it would make my, like, makeup, like, almost rub off because the sponge was too wet. But now I feel like I got it perfect, and it really makes it a lot easier to blend. So obviously some of the spots are still peeking through, but whatever. Like, as long as it's masked enough, like, I don't want to cake too much on. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do me some bronzer. So I just use like a different sponge for this. This is my Tarte one. I'm just gonna do it a little bit. I'm gonna try to get it like above where all my acne is, just because I hate it when I do like cover my spots well, and then I like go in and have to blend my bronzer, and it just kind of wipes everything off. So yeah, and then how I'm doing my nose now, I literally just do a dot like on the tip of my nose. So, and then I just try to like softly blend this out the best that I can without like trying to rub so much of the other makeup off. I like this like bronzer because it blends well, but it also like stays in place. You're not just like having to keep applying more, like, you know what I mean? Like, obviously you want it, like, I can use the littlest bit and it'll go a very long way, so I really like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is like, all my makeup is so old, but this is the BB Beauty. What's it called? I don't know. It's like the BB. I'm sure y'all have seen this brand. Oh, Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Unita Beauty. I don't know. This is in Mauve Leche, I think it's called. It's like a pink color. I really want to get like a blush that's more like an actual like red. I feel like that would look good on me. Something with more like cool undertones for like winter. But yeah, just use a little bit, which I always go overboard with blush. I don't know why. I think because like my cheeks are already pretty flushed, and then adding blush on top of it. But I do love some blush. Okay. Next. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get the eyebrows out of the way, because to me the eyebrows is like the hardest part, just because I do have like an asymmetrical face, and I feel like my eyebrows are not, they never can be even, like I swear. I don't really care at this point, like I'm over it. But I'm gonna take this little by Loti little brow pencil and try my best to outline my brows. Or just kind of fill them in a little bit. I don't even really I don't go extreme with my brows anymore. Just cause I like the more natural look now. But so I'll just kind of do that. Just barely fill them in. It's really hard to do like looking in my phone though. This side, I think, always ends up a little bit dark. Like this side always ends up darker than this side. It just is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna go look at my other mirror and make sure this is right. Okay, so I think I got them pretty even. I say that now, but then I know I'm gonna look back at this video and be like, nope, they weren't even at all. So, but we're just gonna go with that. I think because this side always ends up more square. Like, it has more of a square shape in the front. Oh my god, okay. We're just gonna go with that. Okay, next I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my Jovius Place, the coffee shop palette. Ew, I hate how I can't read, you guys. Like, I'm really scared for my education. Like, I need help. But so I'm gonna take this silver color, and which other one? Oh yeah, I'm gonna take this silver color, and then I'm gonna take this like brownish gray color. I don't know, I like mixing these. This is like the look I've been going for. So we're gonna take that gray color, and I just kind of barely place it in the crease. I don't even know like how to describe my eye shape, because I have very odd shaped eyes, like, and I kind of have protruding eyes, but they're hooded at the same time. So like, and sometimes my eyes can look really big, and then other times you can't see them at all. It's really weird. Like when I smile, like in pictures, like from far away, like my eyes are like non-existent. Okay, I'm going to go in with that darker color. Add some more depth to it. Okay, I think that looks good. And I used to do eyeliner. I used to go like all out, but I find that like makeup really irritates my eyes. Like lately, like, well, ever since I had COVID, my eyes have been like really dry and like, I don't know, they just get more irritated. They're so sensitive now. So I normally just put like the eyeshadow on the top and then the mascara on the top and then just leave the bottom, whatever. But I kind of like naturally have like a reddish, like purple undertone to my eye because I kind of have a lot of bags. Like I have major bags underneath my eyes. So it kind of works as its own eyeshadow in a weird way, but yeah, okay. And now I'm going to take mascara, the Essence Princess Mascara. And I love when this mascara actually gets old because for some reason, like, it does so much better when the consistency of this is, like, thicker and more, like, staled out. It honestly, like, makes my eyelashes look even bigger. Okay, I'm gonna go apply this in the other mirror though. Okay, so mascara is done. So literally all I have left is lips, and I'm just gonna use this. I literally got this from the Dollar Tree. Ioni, I don't know, lip plumper gloss and sangria. And I actually really like this. Like, it really does. It really does plump my lips. And I can feel it working too. I love that. I love when I can feel it actually like working. I'll probably blot some of this color off just because it's pretty dark, but I just really like how it plumps the lips. It is a pretty color though. It's almost like a cranberry color on. Okay, so that is the makeup look for today. Very cute for fall and winter. And for my hair, I'm probably just gonna let my hair air dry and then brush it. And then I will show you guys my outfit and everything for today. Okay, y'all, so here is the full look. I just combed out my hair and I'm just gonna let it air dry. Makeup, I got my little onyx necklace on, sweater off the shoulder. I got my little ring set going on. And then I got my, can't see my bracelets, but I have this bracelet on I got like a while back in Florida. And then this one I got off of TikTok. It's like the Italian charm little bracelet. And this sweater I've had for forever, like from TJ Maxx, I think. And then this skirt I got from Plato's Closet, and then I just have some tights on, and then these boots, they're like brown, and I got those from Just Fab like literally 10 years ago, I'm not joking. And then I just have my little Aldo bag from TJ Maxx. This is the full outfit for today. And it's not even that cold outside, so I'm probably gonna burn up, but yeah, that's the full look. All right, y'all, so I'm about to head out. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next videos to come. Love you guys. Bye.